How are you doing on this trip so far?
I'm okay. I'm snacking on some chips. How are you, Rob?
I'm alright. I'm just ready to hit the beach, yo!
Yeah, I'm recording.
Hey everyone, in this week's video we're doing something a little bit different. I just went to Los Angeles, California with two of my best friends, so this is a vlog. I'll be sharing days 1 through 3 in this video and days 4 through 7 in the next one. I spent a week there, if you could do the math. And so I just wanted to share that experience, especially for those who are interested in traveling to Los Angeles. This is the perfect video for you because we hit all the touristy spots, good food places, and I'll just detail everything in the description along with timestamps for your convenience. By the way, because of the times that we were in, of course, we took our precautions. Even though some of the clips don't have me wearing my mask, I swear as I stopped recording, I just smacked that back on. No one's trying to get sick. Well, there are people who are trying to get sick, anti-maskers. But overall, we are really trying out here to stop COVID from spreading. I know going on vacation or traveling is irresponsible, but at the same time I did need a break. And you could tell in the clips we did spend a lot of time outside and maintain the social distancing. You know, if you don't believe me, I'm healthy, at least for now, so we'll see. Alright, I'll see you on this side. Ready?
Wow. Wow.
Wait, they don't have things? Oh wait, they do. Don't move to the left lane!
Oh,
oh, I got it! No, it's so sad.
it's because it's out of our place.
Where are we at? LACMA! LACMA!
Garbage bag?
Yeah.
There's an extra lime in here. Did you use that lime?
No, I did not.
Dude, look at that house. Reveal on purple.
Oh shoot.
Is it late?
No, you're good. Hollywood Trail. It's very, very hot, so this is going to be terrible, but we'll see how it goes. Preparing with the sunscreen. We have spandex and our running shoes on. That's the only thing we're wearing due to the fact that it feels like a fire out here. We are here.
Mount Hollywood? Right here.
Oh, Hollywood. So we're taking this trail. Seems like. Stop number 1. We can see in the far distance. Wait, where is it? Is that it? I think that was it. The Hollywood sign.
I wonder if this will track my steps.
Hollywood, we see you. We could turn around now.
Nice job saying that.
Stop number 2. We're that much closer to Hollywood sign. It's in the distance there. Okay.
Horses down there.
We're almost there. We're what, like 0.5 miles out?
Yep.
0.5 miles out. In the far, far distance, you can see Griffith, which we'll be doing later today because all we do is hike. And Hollywood is just over that hill. Only 0.4 miles. Let's do it. Home stretch, home stretch. What do we see? Yay! Wow. On the way back down. Griffith Observatory. Look at that, look at that. Beautiful views. Oh, can't really see there. We're gonna be here until sunset. The sun is setting. Goodbye, Griffith. Sunset. Beautiful. Boba time. Again. Alright everyone, I hope you enjoyed. Feel free to ask me about anything on the trip. I'm always open to answer because it will ultimately help me with the YouTube algorithm. Also, here's my Twitch channel where you can subscribe, along with my Twitter where you could follow me for stream updates and random stuff from my brain. I'll see you in my next vlog and stream. Peace.